Hi and welcome to another CNC XChange presentation video. This video will illustrate the conversion of an Okuma milling program to FANUC format. This example will not only cover standard Okuma OSP G-code but also the conversion of the Okuma User Task variable programming to FANUC macro language. Let's get started. First we will browse for the file to convert and open it up in the CNC XChange editor to review its contents. Okuma User Task programming is very flexible, but some instances are not directly convertible to FANUC macro. After review we can see that there are a few specifics that will need to be set up through the CNC XChange user options. User options give the user the ability to customize the CNC XChange output per their specific requirements. Once in the user option editor, we can set up some specific conversions. We will set up a conversion of the Okuma subprogram name PROG1200001. We can do similar for PROG2 and 3. Once completed, we can save the user option file. CNC XChange allows users to create an unlimited number of user option files, and each one can contain an unlimited number of custom conversion definitions. Let's do a conversion to see the results. First we will load the user option file we just created. Using the CNC XChange settings we could set this file as the default, and it would be loaded automatically at startup. Next we can select the conversion direction, FANUC to Okuma or Okuma to FANUC. We will also turn on the option to convert UserTask to FANUC macro, milling. Next, select Convert Milling to start the conversion. We'll enter a new FANUC format program number in the pop-up and press Continue. Reviewing the conversion we can see that all Okuma variable calls and our customized subprogram calls have been automatically converted. The program is almost 100% converted, but a closer look reveals two issues that will need to be addressed. Since Okuma G-code does not require decimal points, we can see that we have some letter addresses that will require decimal points to conform to the FANUC requirements. Opening up our user option file, we can add these decimal point conversion to be included in the conversion process. We'll set it up to have CNC XChange automatically add a decimal point at the end of every X, Y, and Z address. Once completed, we can save the user option file again. We'll set the decimal point conversion to be done at the end of the conversion process, through the option box on the main screen. These main page settings can also be saved so that at startup they will automatically be selected. Let's do the conversion again and see the results. We can see we have a few cleanup conversions to attend to. Converting math equations is a very complex task, and sometimes we may have a few stray adjustments to make. But the powerful user options give us many ways to handle these customizations. We'll set up the end of conversion options in our user options to look for any X equals statements and simply make them X. We'll save the user options file again, and perform the conversion again. After review we can see that changes have been completed and the program has been converted 100% from Okuma format to FANUC format. Now all other programs can be run through CNC XChange using this user option file to be automatically converted. No reposting, no reprogramming, and no downtime. Thanks for taking the time to review this CNC XChange video. For more information on CNC XChange, please visit www.kipware.com. For more videos on CNC XChange, please visit our YouTube channel, KT Software.